Add this sporty and durable style by Brooks to your wardrobe this season. They feature a textile and synthetic upper with a traditional lace-up closure to give you a secure and custom fit. There are some breathable mesh panels on the vamp that allow for ventilation, and the sporty style will go well with any athletic wear. Inside, there is a textile lining with a cushion collar giving your ankle support and removable footbed that is cushioned with added arch support, giving you maximum comfort for the day. The lightweight midsole has DNA loft technology, which provides cushioning and underfoot softness while still maintaining responsiveness and durability. It's all on top of a durable synthetic outsole that has long-lasting durability in high traction areas.